Communication is essential, and it can indeed be frustrating when the right tools are not available. When facing challenges in conveying a message, particularly due to technical limitations or misunderstandings, it's important to address the underlying issues. Firstly, one must identify the root cause of the communication breakdown. This could stem from several factors such as a lack of understanding of the subject matter, differing communication styles, or technological barriers. In the situation where messenger applications are not configured correctly, it restricts the ability to respond directly, leading to potential delays and misinterpretations. Secondly, seeking assistance and clarification is a proactive step toward resolving the problem. When you encounter an obstacle, reaching out to others who may have the expertise or experience to help is beneficial. By asking for help, you open the door to potential solutions and insights that you may not have considered on your own. Thirdly, it is crucial to ensure that your intentions are clearly communicated. In written communication, this can involve carefully choosing your words and providing sufficient context to avoid any ambiguity. If there is a chance that your message could be misinterpreted, it is worth taking the time to rephrase it or provide additional explanation. Fourthly, addressing technical issues promptly is essential for maintaining smooth communication. If there are problems with your hardware, software, or network connection, it is important to troubleshoot these issues as soon as possible. This may involve consulting with technical support, searching for solutions online, or seeking help from someone with technical expertise. Fifthly, it's necessary to acknowledge and apologize for any unintentional offense. If your actions have inadvertently caused offense or misunderstanding, it's important to acknowledge this and offer a sincere apology. This can help to repair any damage to the relationship and prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. Sixthly, it is critical to foster a culture of understanding and forgiveness. Recognize that everyone makes mistakes from time to time, and it is important to be understanding and forgiving when others unintentionally cause offense. By creating a supportive and respectful environment, you can minimize the likelihood of miscommunications and strengthen relationships. Seventhly, it can be helpful to use multiple communication channels to ensure that your message is received and understood. For example, if you are unable to reach someone through a messenger application, you could try sending an email, calling them on the phone, or meeting with them in person. Using a variety of channels can increase the chances of successful communication. Eighthly, it's important to be patient and persistent when communicating with others. Sometimes, it may take several attempts to get your message across. Do not be discouraged if you do not receive an immediate response or if your message is not immediately understood. Keep trying different approaches until you achieve the desired outcome. Ninthly, providing feedback to others about their communication style can be beneficial. If you notice that someone is consistently struggling to communicate effectively, offer constructive feedback in a respectful and supportive manner. This can help them to identify areas where they can improve their communication skills. Tenthly, it's valuable to continuously improve your own communication skills. Attend workshops, read books, or take online courses on effective communication. By honing your skills, you can become a more effective communicator and build stronger relationships with others. 11thly, it is important to listen actively and empathetically when communicating with others. Pay attention to what they are saying, both verbally and non-verbally, and try to understand their perspective. This will help you to respond in a way that is both helpful and respectful. Lastly, one should recognize that communication is a two-way street. It requires both the sender and the receiver to actively participate and make an effort to understand each other. By following these steps, one can overcome communication challenges, resolve misunderstandings, and build stronger relationships.